My cat Mulian the cat. This is Mulian, a small black cat. She lives in a small box made by her owner himself. She loves when David strokes her back. Love. But she lives with a roommate, Tanny. To her, Tanny is the most annoying living creature ever. He would wake her from her sleep, confuse their bowls, sit on her favorite plushie, pee on her rug. And worst of all, David loved him more. Soon, Mulian turned mad and jealous. She wanted David to like her more, to knock Tanny off the starlight. One night in the dollhouse. Boom! Dun dun! Is Mulian doing the wrong thing? Yes, I am.